Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm here. Today's big question is, why do we need to protect forests? Forests cover 1/5 of the Earth's land surface and are home to around 80% of the terrestrial species of plants and animals. They are vital for the well-being of both wildlife and humans alike. Yet they've been shrinking and degrading at a rapid pace over the past decades due to various human activities such as overharvesting timber, converting them into agricultural land in urban areas, pollution, and climate change. But why should we care about protecting these seemingly endless expanses of trees? Why not just leave them to their fate? In this video, we'll explore the multitude of reasons why protecting our forests is essential for a healthy planet and a sustainable future. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's get started. The first reason we need to protect our forests is because they play a crucial role in regulating our climate. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis and store it in their biomass, effectively removing it from the atmosphere. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, or FAO, forests and trees outside of forests, including agroforestry systems, store around 450 gigatons of carbon, which represents around 27% of the total terrestrial carbon stock. This means that forests are one of the most important natural solutions for mitigating climate change. By protecting existing forests and increasing forest cover, we can significantly reduce the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and slow down global warming. Forests also play an important role in the water cycle. They help to regulate water flow by absorbing rainfall and releasing it gradually into the surrounding environment. This helps to prevent floods and droughts and ensures a steady supply of water for both humans and wildlife. The roots of trees bind the soil together, which helps to prevent erosion and landslides. This is particularly important in mountainous and hilly areas where soil erosion can be a major problem. Trees also intercept rainfall, which reduces the impact of raindrops on the ground and further reduces erosion. Additionally, forests act as a reservoir for water, storing it in their biomass and the surrounding environment. This water is released slowly over time, which helps to maintain a steady supply of water during dry periods. Without forests, water would flow over the land more quickly, leading to increased flooding, soil erosion, and reduced water availability. The next reason we need to protect our forests is because they provide us with a wide range of ecosystem services. Ecosystem services are the many and varied benefits that humans freely gain from the natural environment and the proper functioning of ecosystems. These services are essential for our well-being and survival. Forests provide us with clean air, water, and soil, as well as food, timber, and other forest products. They also provide us with numerous cultural and recreational opportunities, such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. Moreover, forests are home to a wide range of industries, including tourism, forestry, and agriculture. For example, many rural communities depend on forests for timber, fuel, and other forest products, while tourists often visit forests for recreation and relaxation. Protecting forests, therefore, helps to maintain these industries and the livelihoods of the people who depend on them. Another important ecosystem service provided by forests is the regulation of pests and diseases. Forests are home to a variety of predators and parasites that help to control populations of insects and other pests. For example, birds of prey such as hawks and owls feed on rodents, which can help to prevent outbreaks of rodent-borne diseases. Similarly, bats and swallows eat large quantities of insects, including mosquitoes and flies, which can help to reduce the spread of insect-borne diseases. By protecting forests, we can therefore help to maintain these populations of predators and parasites, which in turn can help to protect us from pests and diseases. Forests are also important for soil health. The organic matter in forest soils acts like a sponge, helping to hold water and nutrients that are essential for plant growth. The roots of trees and other plants also help to improve soil structure, which can lead to better water infiltration and aeration. This can lead to improved crop yields and livestock productivity. Additionally, forests help to maintain biodiversity, which is important for healthy soils. A diverse range of plants and animals can help to ensure that the soil is well nourished and protected from erosion. The next reason we need to protect our forests is to conserve biodiversity. As I mentioned earlier, forests are home to around 80% of the terrestrial species of plants and animals. They provide habitat and resources for a wide range of organisms, from microorganisms to large mammals. Protecting forests therefore helps to conserve this biodiversity and protect endangered species. Biodiversity is important for many reasons. It helps to ensure that ecosystems are resilient to change, and it provides us with a wide range of goods and services. For example, many of our medicines are derived from plants, and a diverse range of plants may lead to new discoveries in medicine. Biodiversity is also important for food security. A diverse range of plants and animals provides us with a wider range of food options, and it can help to ensure that we have a stable food supply. Forests are also important for cultural and spiritual reasons. They have been revered in many cultures for their beauty and their ability to inspire awe and wonder. Many indigenous cultures have deep connections to their local forests and depend on them for their livelihoods and cultural practices. Protecting forests, therefore, helps to preserve these cultures and traditions. For example, many indigenous communities depend on forests for food, medicine. Despite the importance of forests, they continue to face threats from a variety of sources, including deforestation, forest degradation, and climate change. Deforestation occurs when forests are cleared for other uses, such as agriculture, urbanization, or logging. Forest degradation occurs when the quality of forest ecosystems declines, such as when trees are damaged or killed by fires or pests. Climate change is also a significant threat to forests, as it can lead to more frequent and severe droughts, storms, and wildfires. These threats have a number of negative consequences for both humans and the environment. Deforestation and forest degradation can lead to habitat loss, soil erosion, and climate change. Climate change itself poses a serious risk to forests, as rising temperatures and changes in precipitation patterns can alter forest ecosystems and make them more vulnerable to pests and diseases. There are a number of ways that we can protect forests from these threats. One way is to reduce our consumption of forest products, such as timber or paper. We can also support organizations that are working to conserve forests and plant trees. Governments and businesses also have a role to play in protecting forests by implementing policies that promote sustainable forestry practices and reducing the demand for forest products. In conclusion, protecting our forests is crucial for a healthy planet and a sustainable future. They play a vital role in regulating our climate, providing us with essential ecosystem services, conserving biodiversity, and supporting our cultural and spiritual well-being. While forests face numerous threats, we can all take steps to protect them and ensure that they are around for generations to come. So let us all do our part to protect these invaluable resources and ensure a healthy and sustainable future for all. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.